Contreras music. My name's Christian and welcome to Contreras music. I love what I do and I do what I love, which is why I'm here to share this quick tutorial with you. How to read music, specifically the treble clef. This is part 1. In 4 simple steps, I'm going to show you how to do it, and from then on you will never forget, I guarantee that. Now, step 1 is actually to first download the free resource in the description. It's my reading toolkit, summarizes everything into one little cheat sheet. You can also check out my Insta, other social media accounts where I've got this there, but just click on the link below and I'll shoot it straight to your inbox. You'll never forget it. Awesome little resource, absolutely free. Again, I love what I do and I want you guys to love your music learning, okay? Now don't roll your eyes, you have to learn how to read. But I'm just playing the piano. I'm just a piano man. I'm just a producer. No excuses. Know what you are doing. Knowledge is power. And learning to read a melody is not that difficult. I promise you. I teach it to complete noobs. I teach it to everybody. And you're going to learn it right now. Step 1, treble clef. Okay? That's where mostly everything is written, in the treble clef. The melodies that get stuck into your head. 90% of it is there. Don't quote me on my statistics. But here we go. Treble clef has only 4 lines and 5 spaces, so level 1 is to get your spaces in order. They go from bottom to top. F, A, C, E. Now, don't go old school, we go new school. Remember this like this, okay? Mnemonic devices. Face all challenges equally. F, A, C, E. Face them. Face all challenges equally. Say it out loud right now. I'm serious. Right now. Good. Face all challenges equally. By saying it out loud and maybe using your hands, you are using the kinesthetic learning and tapping into that for it to be much easier for you to remember. So say it out loud, okay? And point to the reference guide. Again, download my cheat sheet at the bottom and you know what I'm talking about. So step 1 is that, simple. Practice them going up and then descending back down. E, equally. C, challenges. A, or. F, face. F, A, C, E. E, C, A, F. Go up and down, practice saying the mnemonic device a couple times, and then just skip it and go straight to the letters. F, A, C, E, E, C, A, F. Level 1, okay? Level 2, the lines. There are 5 lines in the treble clef, and they go from bottom to top as follows. E, G, B, D, and F. Simple way to remember this. You want to be a boss at reading? Act like a boss now. Every great boss defeats fear. So many people are put off by reading and, oh, that's too hard and too complicated. I'll never learn. Baloney. Yes, you will. Okay? Right now. E, G, B, D, F. Every great boss defeats fear. So say it out loud a couple times and point to the resource. Say it out loud. E, G, B, D, F. Okay? Now go backwards. F, fear. D, defeats. Boss, B. Great, G. E, every great boss defeats fear. F, D, B, G, E. Okay? Up and down a couple times, saying it out loud slowly, pointing and saying it. Involve yourself in your learning. Immerse yourself. You'll remember it much quicker and much better in the long term. All right, that's 2 steps, spaces and lines. Okay? Step 3, the practice, the most important one where everyone messes up. This is why I created my course, because I've seen so many beginner students and even intermediate students mess up their practice, wasting time and not getting to the results faster. This is why I put together Premier Piano by Contreras Music. So here we go, freebie right for you now, straight out of my course, how to practice it. Start by randomizing between the 2. So after you've gone up and down on spaces and up and down on lines, put them together. Go up spaces and then up lines. F, A, C, E. Now up the lines. E, G, B, D, F. Now the hard part, go backwards. F, D, B, G, E, and backwards on those spaces. E, C, A, F. Of course, I'm going quicker. This is a blitz tutorial. I gotta move on, guys. I can't stay here forever. Unless you're doing my course, then we've got all the time in the world. You should check it out. But take that slowly up and down, up and down. Then randomize it. Go in between. Go up, down, left, right. Yeah, space, line, space, line. Just jump around between them and challenge yourself. You need to start with the mnemonics and then you can forget it and just say the notes out loud. That's the best way, okay? Don't rely on those poems or mnemonics always, but then don't make it too challenging. Find your in-between. Point, say, keep up, okay? And then we get 21st century, because old school was just learn it, whoosh, rote repetition, boring piano teachers. At Contreras Music, we are different, so here's how you spice it up. Go to Google image search, type in sheet music. Anything comes up, save it as long as it's copyrighted, okay? That means you are not infringing on copyright. Get a free one or get a sample version where you can take the screenshot for free or save the image. If it is copyrighted, follow the rules, guys. Act responsibly, okay? You can print it off, yeah, or just save the picture and then point and read. No matter what level it is, just point and read. What's that? A, G, F, B, D. Point and read. Then if you want to really get fancy, put it on your phone. Yeah, save it as a screenshot and as your background image. That way, you're actually studying music anywhere you are at any time. Just take out 2 minutes of your busy selfieing day, your social media day. I'm playing games. No, invest in you. Learn to read. Practice for 1 or 2 minutes a day. You will be an absolute boss before you know it. And it's already on your phone. You don't have to do anything lazy. Just sit there and go, boom, screensaver. Mom, dad, they told me to turn off the phone. No, I'm studying music. Yeah, Contreras music stuff. Okay. I'm serious, guys. Have some fun with it and make it interesting. Have a few snapshots on your phone or on your tablet. Do it on the go when you're sitting waiting for a bus or traveling to or from school, wherever you are, uni, work. Give yourself a bit of time and learn, okay? Practice. Now, there is a bonus step to all of this, okay? The bonus step. And that's the free giveaway I'm giving out right now. It's another YouTube video. You're gonna see a sample scrolling very soon, but I've turned this into a game for you. I've created a custom video that tests you in 3 levels. Okay, it's easy to play. You just click the YouTube video and watch it and see if you can keep up saying it out loud, okay? Please remember to make it interactive by pointing, saying, and trying the levels, okay? And have some fun. I've got much more resources available on my website as well as more levels coming out for this. But for now, just click on the link in the description below and you'll see this rolling right now. See it? Wherever it is, wherever I may have put it. Okay, that's enough. Believe me, it's a lot of fun, guys, so check it out. And yet another free resource for you to kickstart your music and really help you progress. Okay, 4 steps again. 1, spaces. 2, lines. 3, practice. And 4, the bonus step, something interactive like the resource I've created for you. Okay, I hope you enjoy, guys. Please leave me a comment below. What did you think? How could I have made it better? Or even better, what is the next video going to be about? You choose. I listen. So go ahead and write down, please. Leave me a comment. Hit like, subscribe, share, as well as turning on the notifications. I post videos weekly and they're all valuable content based like this one. I'm giving away everything for free, guys, because I love music. I love what I do. Love you guys as well. So I hope you enjoy this and get the full resource. Okay. Please do visit my website, contrerasmusic.com. Check out my online courses. Check out all of my socials for freebies. Don't forget to get your free cheat sheet before you go. Check it out in the link below. I'll shoot it straight to your inbox. No spam, I promise. Just what you need. And again, leave me a comment. Tell me what you want the next one to be. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, my name was Christian. This is Contreras Music, and I'll see you in the next video. Contreras Music.